i35equipment.com. This is a counterweight system that was designed, developed, and built by a local gentleman who is a professional engineer as well as equipment operator. He built it to slide in to the back of his skid steer when he had two trailer hitches welded on. He used to slide right back into those trailer hitches. It gave him lots of extra weight when he was using his tree spade on his machine. Or if you can come look it over, it's like all we do ship equipment and attachments all over the country, so get shipped to you, should not be an issue at all. Or just get put on a pallet and get it shipped out. Take a home quote to fill out our website, call, text, or email your full delivery address. We'll share that address several callers and nationwide broker. Of course, we do welcome you to arrange your own hauling or come get it for yourself if you want to. Great deal to be used on a skid steer again, or just anything you want to weld on a couple of trailer hitch acceptors too. And then he was saying that this can pivot if you need more left or right, but that big counterweight right there just slides in there, whether if you needed it or if this on its own would be enough. Appreciate you taking time to watch. Hope you have a wonderful day.